Hey, and welcome to my new office. For those of you who don't know me, of the two people watching me, the one person who doesn't know me, I'm Chris Ryan, and I'm the owner and chief strategist of Kismet Marketing, and I just signed the lease of my first ever office space. So of course, I'm gonna follow the natural next steps and vlog about it. So for about the last 5 years, I've been building up Kismet Marketing as a freelance side hustle while I was doing my corporate jobs within marketing itself. In July of 2024, I decided to take Kismet full time, which is a big leap, going from the safety of a corporate marketing gig and then just pursuing this as a side hustle to then me being the breadwinner and the main decision maker of every aspect of my income in life. It's a big step. 1 year later, hey, I'm still here, and I guess I'm in a new office space. In theory, one of the biggest perks of being self-employed is that I can set my own hours and that I can choose wherever I work from. But I was explaining to one of my friends the other day that because I could work from anywhere, I could work from everywhere. And because in theory I can choose all my hours, that means I work all the hours because I want to make sure that my business succeeds. And then if I don't work all the hours, I feel guilty that I didn't invest said hours into scaling my business. For the past few months, I've been lightly looking around Denver office spaces to see if there were any that made financial sense at the current state of my business. And I'm happy to report that there weren't many options, but I am happy to report that I am currently leased in the smallest office space that I could find in the cheapest building that I could find within a walking distance of my townhouse. Does it still count? Yeah. But let me tell you, this little office space ended up being Kismet, if you will, because they have a full production studio in the basement that they say we can use. So, yeah, we're excited. I also have a couple ideas of how I want to activate this office space to use it as like a tool for my business and use it for content creation. That's a very important aspect of my business and what I do for work, so I might as well lean into it from a personal aspect, even if it makes me uncomfortable, because I'm behind the screen these days. Of course, I had my time to shine on stage, of course. But these days, I make digital commercials for small to mid-sized businesses and the occasional financial institution. So, at the club, checking the emails. I'm not at the club. But if I were at the club, I'd be checking my emails. But yeah, welcome to my office space. It is messy, it is small, but it's mine. There you go. I have some exciting things coming to personalize it, make it special. Right now there's not a lot in there, but I wanted to start documenting the process of building my business within a physical space, not just a digital space, you know. Join me, won't you, on this digital journey through Kismet's physical evolution. Like, comment, subscribe. Sure. Oh, let me give you a sneak peek of the studio. It's lit. Like, just a little sneak peek, though. Just a little sneak peek.